Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Implied Wages. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. We move to the main project steps and total step is 13. So we move to the question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 6 ML2 wages. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp25 Excel chapter 6 ML2 wages. So question number 1 is complete. And we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is create a range name based on the value in the range I10 to I11. So I10 to I11. So copy the range I10 to I11 and next go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and create the range name based on the value in the range I10 to I11. So select the gross earning and go to the formula tabs and go to the define name range groups. Click the creator from a selections, left column and click OK. So select the I10 is gross earning and next range is I11. So select the I11 so I11 is go to the define name, next is click the select the total wages prints, define name and create a from a selection and click the left column checkbox and click OK. So I11 is the total wages paid. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is added the range name gross earning, so it display as the gross. So added the range name gross earning, so display as the gross. Next go to the formula types, go to the define name groups, click the name managers and next is select the gross earning. So select the gross earning, so it display as the gross. Click the edit and display edit the gross. Next is gross and click OK and click close. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. Apply the gross and total wages paid array name to the formula in cell I12 using the apply array name methods. So apply the gross and total wages paid array name formula in cell I12. So select the I12 and then apply the array name methods in cell I12. And next is I10. I10 is the gross earning minus I11 is the total wage paid and press enter and apply the rename method. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, load the solver add-in if it is not available and set the objective cell to mini total wage paid in cell F13. So load the solvers, go to the data types and go to the analyze groups and click the solvers. So open the solver dialog box, and next is set the objective cell to minimum total wage paid in cell F13 and set the objective cell to mini total wage and select the mini in cell F13. The solver add in the if it is not available and set the objective cell to mini and total wage paid in cell F13 and set the objective to minimum. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, assign a hoverworks range in E5 to E12 as the changing variable cell. So assign a hoverwork in the range E5 to E12 by changing variable cell E5 to E12. Changing variable cell E5 to E12 by changing variable cell E5 to E12. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel chapter 6 ML2 implied wages.